Today I have my trainer switched around so the cushion is toward me, so I can do a plank on my forearms. I can do it from the other side too, but a forearm plank here with shoulders directly over elbows, so we have these upper arm bones to rely on. Walking feet back until heels are pressing back, belly's lifting up, tail's moving towards your heels. Maybe you'll be on your knees for this one, and you'll be doing some pelvic tilts. So if you start here and just pull up through your belly and tip your pelvis a little bit, and then maybe you'll lift your knees above the ground and put them down. Tuck your tail, lift your lower back using your belly, and lift your knees slightly off the ground. That might be your version. Or there could be another version where you come to plank, keeping your shoulders right over your elbows, and hover your knees, cat tilt of your pelvis, and curl in your lower back, tail towards your knees or your heels, belly up into your lower back, back to plank. Curl, exhale, inhale, plank, lengthen through the crown of your head, draw your chin in, reach out through the crown of your head, lift up the backs of those ears so you keep your head as a natural alignment of your spine. Burning already. That's a good warm up for your Vitabhasana.